Florida. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are on the way to Bmw Invasion. Look, I still got the jersey sticker on there. So you guys can see I really didn't have enough time to do anything. So yep, we're out. We didn't get to put my steering wheel. We didn't get to do some carbon fiber trim here that I was gonna put on. But that's all good because we're just here to enjoy the moment. Should be fun. There's gonna be a lot of BMWs everywhere. Oh, went the wrong way. Alright guys, I'm gonna focus on driving. I'll see you guys when I get there. I wasn't even paying attention to the GPS. We arrived. It's such a nice area. Got a little Florida. Now we got, since we're in the indoor parking lot, we gotta go in through this way. This is the main entrance right here. Damn, look at that limo. All that people over there. 8:30. A lot of BMWs out. You got Brian. You got John. You got Miguel. And Miguel.
I gotta do it like Miguel.
You gotta show him. You gotta show him.
Yeah, it's like 10 seconds. Too much grit. Should've swung it. You got people in the back. Why you got people in the back trying to do a burnout?
So we just left the show and it was a good turnout. I knew the number was gonna be big, but it was a lot of nice cars out there. So a lot of motivation to spend some money. But right now we're gonna go pump some gas. Damn, my battery's dying. All right guys, so it's been a few days after BMW Invasion and I realized that I did not record an outro. So we're back at home, or I'm back at home, obviously been going to work and all that, and it's time for me to edit the video. So I wanted to say, first of all, big shout out to the guys at BMW Invasion for setting everything up. You really couldn't have asked for a better situation or a better event. Nice cars, good weather, and most importantly, very, very good people. So it was nice seeing all the faces that we see on either YouTube or Instagram that are in the BMW community. So those of you that I talked to and that you guys came up to me and talked to me and say that you guys watch my videos, I really appreciate you guys. And honestly, I didn't really record as much as I would have expected to. And also I couldn't really record too much and kind of talk about what I think of certain builds just because of the music that was playing. And you guys know that with music you can't really record, otherwise you'll get a copyright strike. I just did like a little montage just walking around and stuff. I tried to record the best that I could. At one point my camera died, so I had to use my phone, but luckily my phone has good quality, so it all worked out. So I just wanted to say once again, thanks to all you guys that came up and talked to me and have shown support. Big massive thank you to everybody that had any part of the whole event. So I know it's a lot of work. I know what goes into planning events, and even though I haven't been a part of like a huge event like that, I can imagine how much work is involved. So props to you guys, and hopefully I'll see you guys at the other next event, wherever that may be, whether it be a BMW Invasion event or not. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.